The compression spring is part of your router's spindle lock assembly. It pulls the lock pin away from the spindle when it's released. Over time, the spring can weaken and not release from the spindle. Replacing the compression spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the base from the router motor. Now remove the two screws that secure the button housing. And I'll remove the housing, button, and spring from the router. Now I can install the new spring. I'll press the spring into the hole on the button. I'll place the button back into the housing, aligning the pin with the hole. Reinstall the button housing and secure it with the screws. I'll finish by reinstalling the motor into the base. And that's how easy it is to install a new compression spring in your router.